Welcome to Pytro Network, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what we stand to gain from this platform. So I'll be leaving for you a link in the pinned comment of the video and it's on the Telegram page. And when you click on it, you find yourself here. To register, you provide your full name here, your email address, you choose the password, you click on create account free. And your account will be created, and this is it. You can earn 1 PNT every 24 hours. So without any further ado, let's click on start mining. So I'm in the mining session now. My balance is 0. My referral code is there as well as my referral link. I haven't submitted KYC just yet. Let's click on complete. So submission temporarily closed. Phase 2 has ended. Stay tuned for phase 3. So back to the dashboard here. My status is mining. So there's send and receive buttons here. Let's click on wallet. There is nothing here. Web3 ready. You can copy your address. You can also get a QR. KYC not submitted. Transactions, nothing. So on the profile page, so you can update your profile by providing your full name, your phone number, your ID number, CNIC or passport, your date of birth. You write something about you, a brief bio, and you click on save profile. So let's check their Twitter page. So Pytro Network is pretty new. Let's follow. Track mining performance, earning, and wallet stats in real time with Pytro. You've met them well. Security updates. Stay Pytro. Diving deep into future with Pytro. So guys, Pytro Network, decentralized mining web app. So this is it, guys. You might want to look it up. No guarantees of making you a millionaire here. Alright, we're just trying it out. So be cautious, guys. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial expert. You endeavor to do your research and be responsible for actions taken after watching this. Do have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.